Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest rated heat mug presses. Companies and freelance designers can handle their branding in a variety of ways, including printing on mugs along with t-shirts and stationery. Coffee mugs make for some of the most eye-catching mediums for you to display your artwork or message. What's also cool is that with all this new technology, anyone can own and operate a mug heat press. Hello to mug gifts for mothers, friends, teachers, family members, and more. Of course, having something worth transferring from sublimation paper to a fine ceramic mug is important, but having a machine that won't let you down and will do justice to your abilities as an advertiser, designer, or both is also important. There's no shortage of manufacturers claiming that they make the best mug press machines. Obviously, not all of them can be correct. In this video, we have compiled a list of the 7 top-rated heat mug presses available in the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the heat mug presses that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first heat mug press on our list is the Cricut Mug Press. Make a mug masterpiece in minutes with the Cricut Mug Press. Just create your design using Cricut infusible ink materials, attach it to your mug, and the press handles the rest. For its size, it measures 8.19 by 13.15 by 8.74 inches and weighs 7.89 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Cricut Mug Press a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Patent pending heat plate. It has a patent pending heat plate for excellent consistent results. Peel-proof and dishwasher safe. Your finished coffee mug projects are peel-proof and dishwasher safe when made with compatible infusible ink materials and Cricut ceramic mugs. Easy to use. There are no baffling menus or manual pressure sensitivity settings, so you can just drop the mug in and go. Design Space. A tutorial in Design Space takes you through the step-by-step process of creating your first design. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it requires 12-volt batteries, which are not included in the package. The second heat mug press on our list is the BetterSub Mug Heat Press Purple. The BetterSub Mug Heat Press Purple is equipped with a high-quality stainless steel thumb screw that allows you to quickly and easily swap out different size mug attachments without the use of any tools. It measures 15.6 by 13.5 by 12 inches and weighs 14.77 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BetterSub Mug Heat Press Purple a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. LCD screen display with easy-to-operate buttons. It features an LCD screen with easy-to-operate buttons that make it easy to set desired parameters as needed. Audible alarm. The mug press has an audible alarm that reminds the machine to turn off the heat when the time and temperature are reached. Intermittent heating technology. It makes use of intermittent heating technology, which can help to extend the life of the machine. Comfortable rubber grip. The mug press has a comfortable rubber grip for everyday use and long production runs. Non-stick surfaces. The non-stick surface prevents scorching of transfers and eliminates the need for silicone or Teflon sheets. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't come with a power cord. The third heat mug press on our list is the Sublifun Pink Tumbler Mug Heat Press. This heat press machine is designed for blank cups, tumblers, and mugs with a bottom diameter of 2.64 by 3.43 inches and a height of no more than 16 inches. The package includes one heat press machine with an adjustable attachment. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Sublifun Pink Tumbler Mug Heat Press a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy to use. Simply twist the screw to adjust the diameter of the attachment for different tumblers. Temperature control panel. It has a temperature control panel that can be used to maintain a constant temperature. Control LCD screen. The mug press has a control LCD screen for easy viewing. Pressure knob. It has a pressure knob that allows you to easily adjust the pressure in the mug press. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't have additional attachments. The fourth heat mug press on our list is the Pro Tumbler Heat Press Machine Yellow. This upgraded mug press machine uses the most up-to-date sublimation transfer design. Not only does it better meet your needs, but it's also very easy to use and friendly to beginners and pros. As for the size, it measures 19 by 15 by 14.5 inches and weighs 22 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Pro Tumbler Heat Press Machine Yellow a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Pressure handle. The pressure handle on the mug press protects you from burns. Heat-resistant silicone pads. It has heat-resistant silicone pads that prevent burning and distribute heat evenly and steadily. Knob pressure adjustment. The temperature and time of the machine can be precisely controlled using the knob pressure adjustment. Secondary molding design. It adopts a secondary molding design to ensure that the tumbler press machine is heated more evenly. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is heat cannot be applied to plastic products. The fifth heat mug press on our list is the UNQWIN Mug Press machine. The UNQWIN automatic mug heat press machine is black and has a unique compact shape on the market. It is portable, suitable for use by the entire family as a gift or for commercial purposes. For its size, it measures 13.78 by 8.66 by 8.39 inches and weighs 6.84 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the UNQWIN Mug Press machine a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Automatic door. The mug heat press is equipped with an automatic door. When you put the cup in, the door closes the cup and starts to heat, which is less labor-intensive than other manual heat presses. The cup will automatically open after the hot pressing is complete. One-button design. It has a one-button design that is easy to use for people of all ages and can keep it safe in any situation. Middle indicator light. The middle light indicator has 2 colors to indicate different settings and states. Heating plate. It has an upgraded heating plate which ensures that the heating is more consistent and the transfer effect is improved. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you need to wait for the mug to cool before cleaning. Otherwise, the mug will be hot and cause damage to the mug. The sixth heat mug press on our list is the MK.Bear Mug Press Machine Green. The MK.Bear Mug Press Machine Green has been upgraded to create personalized mugs that are efficient, perfect, lifelike, and anti-flaking. High-strength engineering plastics are used in the cup heat press, making it lighter in weight, smaller in size, and more powerful. It measures 10.87 by 7.24 by 7.2 inches and weighs 3.98 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the MK.Bear Mug Press Machine Green a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy to customize. It is easy to customize the pattern to create the perfect sublimation mug. Peel-proof. Your completed mug projects are peel-proof, so you don't have to worry about giving gifts to friends and family anymore. Easy to use. Simply cut the picture to the size you need, attach it to your mug, and then print it on the sublimation paper with sublimation ink and an inkjet printer. Easy to follow instructions. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions that won't mess up any of your designs. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the mug is not included in the package. The seventh heat mug press on our list is the HEAT-GOO Mug Press. The HEAT-GOO Mug Press comes with 4 different size heating coasters that can be used for a variety of mug projects. It comes with 4 silicone attachments, a 6-ounce attachment, a 10-ounce attachment, and an 11-ounce attachment, and a 12-ounce tapered attachment. So you can swap out the sizes as needed. As for the size, it measures 15 by 11 by 9 inches and weighs 11.97 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the HEAT-GOO Mug Press a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Built-in fuse. The built-in fuse is mainly used for overload protection. When the current abnormally rises to a certain height and heat, the fuse will fuse and cut off the current, which protects the safe operation of the mug heat press machine. Protective temperature. It has a protective temperature that can automatically lower the working temperature after completing a mug. Stainless steel. This mug press is made of stainless steel, which is durable and resistant to deformation, unlike plastics. Progress reminder. When it heats up to the protective temperature, you can hear one beep, reminding you to put the mug in the element. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the mug press machine cannot sublimate plastic cups, so temperature-resistant cups must be used. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest-rated heat mug presses, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next heat mug press roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.